Struggling to figure out what to eat with type 2 diabetes? You're not alone. Managing your blood sugar starts with the right foods, and having a plan makes it so much easier. In this video, we'll guide you through a 7-day type 2 diabetes meal plan with easy, balanced, and delicious meals for every part of your day. From hearty breakfasts to satisfying dinners, each recipe is crafted to help keep your blood sugar stable while still enjoying real food. Watch till the end for smart tips, portion guidance, and recipe ideas that can help you take control of your diabetes. One meal at a time. Day 1. Type 2 diabetes-friendly meal plan. Managing type 2 diabetes starts with making smart food choices, and having a clear meal plan can make a big difference. This Day 1 plan is designed to help you keep your blood sugar levels steady while still enjoying delicious meals. Be mindful of portion sizes and carbohydrate content, and aim to include lean proteins and healthy plant-based fats in every meal. Breakfast. Cream cheese stuffed French toast with scrambled eggs. Enjoy a satisfying start to your day with whole grain French toast filled with a light cream cheese mixture. Pair it with scrambled eggs for added protein and a balanced breakfast that supports stable blood sugar levels. Whole grains also add important fiber to help you feel full longer. Lunch. Salmon salad with white beans. This nutrient-rich salad features salmon, an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, paired with fiber-filled white beans. It's a heart-healthy, energizing option that works well for lunch at home or on the go. Dinner. Cuban marinated sirloin kebabs with grilled asparagus. End your day with bold flavors by trying these sirloin kebabs marinated in Cuban-inspired spices. Served with grilled asparagus, this dinner offers protein, fiber, and vibrant taste without excess carbs or unhealthy fats. Day 2. Simple and flavorful meals for type 2 diabetes. Day 2 of your diabetes-friendly meal plan offers comforting favorites with a healthy twist. These meals are designed to keep your blood sugar balanced while delivering satisfying flavors. Always check serving sizes and adjust ingredients as needed to stay within your carbohydrate goals. Breakfast. Apple pie oatmeal with Greek yogurt. Start your morning with the warm, comforting taste of apple pie in a bowl. This oatmeal brings together cinnamon, apples, and oats for a hearty breakfast that feels like a treat. Top it with a scoop of plain Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost that helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you fuller longer. Lunch. Turkey cranberry wraps. Enjoy a sweet and savory lunch with this easy wrap. Lean turkey paired with a touch of cranberry sauce makes for a satisfying midday meal. Keep in mind that each serving contains about 34 grams of carbs, so you can reduce the cranberry sauce or use a lower sugar version if you're aiming to cut back on carbohydrates. Dinner. Cilantro lime tilapia with spinach and tomatoes. Finish your day with a light yet flavorful dinner. This quick fish recipe combines tilapia with zesty cilantro and lime, served over a bed of sautéed spinach and juicy tomatoes. It's a nutrient-rich option that's easy to prepare and kind to your blood sugar levels. Day 3. Quick and satisfying meals for type 2 diabetes. On Day 3, the focus is on simplicity without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. These diabetes-friendly meals are easy to prepare and help keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day. Remember to watch your portions and include a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Breakfast. Fruit and almond smoothie. Busy morning? This smoothie has you covered. With just 4 ingredients, it's a fast and refreshing option packed with natural sweetness and healthy fats. Blended fruit provides fiber and vitamins, while almonds add protein and help you feel full longer. Lunch. Veggie and chicken pasta salad. This colorful pasta salad combines lean chicken with fresh vegetables for a satisfying, well-balanced meal. It's great for lunch and makes excellent leftovers, so consider preparing extra to save time later in the week. Choose whole grain or lower carb pasta for better blood sugar control. Dinner. Grilled turkey burgers with sweet potato fries. Enjoy a healthier take on a classic favorite with juicy grilled turkey burgers. Serve them with oven-roasted sweet potato fries for a comforting dinner that feels like fast food, without the guilt. This combo delivers fiber, lean protein, and a dose of complex carbohydrates to help keep energy levels stable. Day 4. bold flavors and balanced choices for type 2 diabetes. Day 4 brings vibrant flavors and nourishing ingredients to keep your meals exciting and blood sugar friendly. Each recipe is crafted to provide a satisfying balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to support energy and glucose control throughout the day. Breakfast: veggie and goat cheese scramble. For a savory start to your morning, try this colorful veggie scramble. Eggs, sautéed bell peppers, tomatoes, creamy goat cheese, and avocado come together for a filling breakfast full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized and satisfied. Lunch: curried chicken salad stuffed pitas. Spice up your lunch with a curried chicken salad that blends tender chicken with a creamy mix of Greek yogurt and light mayo. Served in whole grain pita pockets, this meal offers flavor, crunch, and a balanced mix of protein and carbs. It's a fresh twist on a lunchtime classic. Dinner: Jamaican pork tenderloin with lemony green beans. Enjoy tropical flair at dinnertime with this quick and flavorful pork tenderloin dish. The bold Jamaican-inspired seasoning pairs perfectly with crisp, lemony green beans. Add a serving of brown rice or a small portion of pilaf for a complete, well-rounded meal. Day 5. Wholesome and make-ahead meals for type 2 diabetes. Day 5 offers nourishing meals that are both practical and flavorful. From make-ahead breakfasts to satisfying dinners, each recipe is designed to support balanced blood sugar while keeping prep time manageable. Don't forget to monitor your portions and adjust ingredients to meet your personal carbohydrate goals. Breakfast: granola with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Start your day with homemade granola packed with heart-healthy nuts and seeds. While dried fruit adds natural sweetness, it also increases the carbohydrate content, so feel free to reduce or omit it to better suit your needs. Make a batch over the weekend to enjoy quick, ready-to-go breakfasts all week long. Lunch: quinoa tabbouleh salad. This refreshing salad features quinoa, a gluten-free grain that's also a complete protein. Tossed with fresh herbs, vegetables, and lemon juice, it's a light yet satisfying option for lunch. Whether you're vegetarian or just looking to add more plant-based meals, this dish is a great choice. Dinner: beef and rice stuffed peppers. Stuffed bell peppers filled with lean ground beef and brown rice make for a balanced and comforting dinner. They're rich in protein, fiber, and flavor, perfect for family meals that support healthy blood sugar control without sacrificing taste. Day 6. Homemade comforts for balanced blood sugar. Day 6 focuses on homemade goodness, from bakery-style muffins to flavorful dips and a hearty soup. These meals are diabetes-friendly and crafted to help you maintain steady blood sugar levels while enjoying comforting, satisfying flavors. Breakfast: banana carrot and pecan muffins. These moist, lightly sweet muffins are a perfect start to your day or a hit at any brunch. Made with wholesome ingredients like banana, carrot, and pecans, they offer fiber and healthy fats. Enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced breakfast that feels indulgent but supports your health goals. Lunch: lemony hummus with fresh veggies and whole grain sides. Skip the store-bought version and make your own hummus for better taste and lower sodium. This zesty lemon hummus pairs perfectly with crunchy vegetables like carrots, radishes, celery, and cucumber slices. Add whole grain crackers or pita chips for a satisfying, fiber-rich lunch. Dinner: chicken tortilla soup. Warm up with this hearty and spicy chicken tortilla soup, a great way to use leftover cooked chicken. Packed with protein and vegetables, this soup is both filling and blood sugar friendly. Customize the spice level to your taste and enjoy it as a comforting end to your day. Day 7. Light, fresh, and flavorful meals for type 2 diabetes. Wrap up the week with meals that are vibrant, satisfying, and easy to prepare. Day 7 emphasizes fresh ingredients and simple cooking methods that support blood sugar balance while bringing variety to your plate. Breakfast: tomato and basil frittata. Start your morning with this savory frittata featuring fresh tomatoes and basil. It's a great way to use up leftovers and makes for a protein-rich, low-carb breakfast. Pair with a slice of whole grain toast and fresh fruit for a well-rounded meal that keeps you energized all morning. Lunch: butternut squash and carrot soup. Creamy, flavorful, and packed with nutrients, this homemade soup beats canned versions any day. Naturally sweet but low on the glycemic index, butternut squash and carrots offer fiber and antioxidants in a warm, comforting bowl, perfect for a light midday meal. Dinner. Grilled shrimp skewers. Enjoy a quick and flavorful dinner with grilled shrimp skewers. Shrimp cook in just minutes and are a lean source of protein. Serve with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh salad for a light, satisfying end to your diabetes-friendly week.